Good morning, this is Alan from Spotless Carpet Cleaning. Today I have this one rug I'll be doing in the customer garage. I have my vacuum already set up. She told me that she has a small dog. He did his little business there, so I'm going to be treating that. And there's one more there. So we're about to start to vacuum now to get the hair and the dry soil. If you remember, I made a video, I think was yesterday, telling you how important it is to vacuum, pre-vacuum before you start. So here we go. When I'm vacuuming, I like to go the lengthways of the rug or the carpet in the room, and I'll go across also. So I'm hitting that fiber from two different directions, so I can get the most of the hair, dry soil, or whatever is trapped in that carpet fiber. Okay, so I just finished vacuuming that small rug. It's 8 by 10, 8 by 9 to be exact. And look at the amount of pet hair, dry soil, and whatever was embedded into that rug. I'm just gonna open it so you can have basically have an idea what was inside. And look at that. Most of it is pet hair. You have all the dry soil right there. See that? That's our dry soil, and that's what's in your carpet or rug when you have them. So having them clean, this must be done in the first step to get that rug smelling and looking much better. If you skip this, you will get some out when you wash, but doing this will make it much easier for you to clean, and you know, but that's just to show you the amount of hair, dry soil, and whatever else was in that rug. Look at that. I like to do the same thing with the CRB like I did with the vacuum. So I'll go lengthways and I'll go across to make sure everything had a evenly scrub from the CRB.